Munir, Chief of Army Staff and Chief of Defense Forces, Hilal-e-Imtiaz Military, Minister Sindh, distinguished athletes, officials, coaches, guests from all provinces, ladies and gentlemen, and above all, the young champions of Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum. Today, as the flames of these national games comes to rest, our hearts remain alight with pride, with confidence, and with faith in Pakistan's future. On behalf of the people of Sindh, I extend my deepest gratitude to you, Field Marshal Sahab, for honoring this ceremony with your presence. Your leadership and your service stand as a symbol of strength, professionalism, and unity for the entire nation. These national games were not merely a competition of speed, strength, or skill. They were a celebration of Pakistan itself. From Gilgit-Baltistan to Gwadar, from Khyber to Karachi, from Lahore to Larkana, every athlete who competed here carried the colors of their province, but they stood united under one flag. Sindh is proud to have hosted this national event. This province has always played a defining role in Pakistan's story. It was from Sindh that the first resolution in favor of Pakistan was passed, affirming our belief in federation, unity, and a shared destiny. Hosting these games is a continuation of the same commitment to national cohesion. I wish to place on record my sincere appreciation for the Chief Minister of Sindh, Syed Murad Ali Shah, and the Sports Minister of Sindh, Sardar Muhammad Baksh Mahar, whose leadership, planning, and dedication made these national games a success. Organizing an event of this scale is no small task, and Sindh has delivered with professionalism and grace. To our athletes, you are the pride of Pakistan. Whether you return home with medals or memories, you return as ambassadors, ambassadors of discipline, perseverance, and national unity. You have shown us what Pakistan's youth can achieve when given opportunity and encouragement. To the coaches, officials, volunteers, medical teams, and organizers, thank you for your tireless service. And to our security forces and law enforcement agencies, thank you for ensuring these games were conducted in an atmosphere of peace, safety, and dignity. Sport teaches us teamwork, courage, respect for rules, and resilience in the face of challenge. These are not just sporting values, they are national values. In May, Pakistan was tested on the battlefield. The nation responded with unity, resolve, and confidence. Under the leadership of Field Marshal General Syed Asim Munir, the Pakistani Army, the Pakistan Air Force, and the Pakistan Navy demonstrated professionalism, coordination, and strength. Pakistan emerged victorious with its sovereignty defended and its honor upheld. This victory was not only a military victory, it was a national one. It reflected the unity of our people, the discipline of our forces, and the unbreakable bond between the nation and those who stand guard over it. Our task now is to carry this same spirit forward into our classrooms, our stadiums, our institutions, and our daily lives. Our vision must be clear: a Pakistan where every child in every province has access to opportunity, whether in sports, education, health, or service to the nation. A Pakistan where talent is nurtured, discipline is rewarded, and unity remains our greatest strength. As these national games conclude, may the friendships formed here endure. May the lessons learned here guide us, and may the unity displayed here continue to define our federation. I congratulate every participant, every medalist, and every province. Pakistan Zindabad.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।